Hi, I'm Giovanna from Atlassian. Let's talk about sessions today. Sessions in Rovo Dev CLI are conversational or task-based workspaces that persist context, memory, and history across multiple commands or interactions. To create a new session, simply run to list all the sessions that you have previously created and still have available, run to exit from this view, just press Q. To rename a session you're on, run To rename a session successfully, you had to previously have some activity on it. To reopen a previous session with all its context and memory, you can run and then choose which session you want to switch back to. To clear all the messages in the current session, run /clear. And if you need to reduce the token size of your current session but want to retain the context and keep only what matters, keeping your assistant still sharp and relevant to your current work, you can run /prune. And if you want to create a session based on the context of an existing one, run. This is useful for branching off a line of work.